To change a blog site name, for example, let's check out for this blog site. So the name for this site is health tips. As you can see, health tips is the name. So if you want to change the name of this blog website, so just log into your blogger dashboard. Blogger.com. So this is the blogger dashboard. Now click on the menu bar and go to settings. So scroll down and click on title. So this is the current name for the blog site. So let's change it to another thing. So let's change it to clues for health. Save it. Now the name have been changed, so let's check out for the site. Clues for health .blogspot.com. So that is it. As you can see, the name have already been changed. So this is how to change a blog site on Blogger.